episode of our new series, National Dishes and How to Make Them. We are making a national dish of Spain. It's one of the national dishes that we have eaten and made before, and is one of our favorites. Okay, so for those of you who didn't know or not sure, the national dish of Spain is Spanish Omelette, known in Spanish-speaking countries as Tortilla de Patatas, Tortilla de Papas, or Tortilla española. Yeah, it's not Paella as many might think, because Spaniards consider Paella to be just a popular dish from the Valencian region. Spanish omelette is popular the world over and a signature dish in the Spanish cuisine. It's eaten all around Spain at all meals and by members of different social classes. There are a few theories about the origin of this dish. Legend has it that it was invented during the Carlist War period either by a general as a quick, easy, nutritious dish to feed his troops, or by a housewife for the general who stopped by her house for dinner. Some also say that the recipe was brought back to Spain from Portugal by the Spanish prisoners of war in the 17th century. The original recipe was for potato egg pie, and it later evolved into the Spanish omelette we eat today. But according to recent historical research, it was invented in the small town called Villanueva de la Serena in southwestern Spain around 1798. Its citizens now celebrate the dish originated in their town with the annual festival. Unlike other famous Spanish dishes like paella or gazpacho, tortilla de patatas has no regional variants. It is made with the same recipe throughout the country, but whether or not to use one ingredient has divided the nation into two camps: sin cebollista, without onioners, and the cebollista, the pro-onioners. Yes, the use of the onion is quite controversial and always lead to heated arguments in Spain, even among family members. We hear that even the restaurant there tend to state whether or not their tortilla contain onions. They agree on the one thing though: there are few pleasures cheaper than eating a great Spanish omelette made at home. Yes, it's cheap, it's simple enough to make, minimum effort and maximum satisfaction. Just the way we like it. Are you wondering if we will use onions or not? Well, you will find out in a minute, because we're about to make a delicious Spanish omelette. Let's go! That's it for today, guys. Try to make one yourself at home, okay? With or without the onions. I'm sure it will be exquisite. Hope you like the video and will hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. We will be back with another awesome recipe later. So until then, stay safe. Bye.
Delicioso.